Hello guys and welcome to another Adventure Story channel video. Today I have a special job. It's a little bit heavy, this motor, and as you can see I have main COPT condenser cooling seawater pump number 3, okay? Just I like to show you how it looks like inside, also for new engineers to know what is inside, how it looks like, because maybe in your practice or your voyage you will never see that pump, but maybe you will see. But let's check together and let's start. The reason for why we take out this pump is that leakages which you can see here, okay? There was leakages through the mechanical seal. That's why we decide to take out this pump, okay? As you can see also from this image, there is a valve here, okay? This is the discharge valve, and here it's located the suction valve, okay? To overhaul this pump, first you need to close the suction valve and the discharge valve, okay? So you will be sure that no any water passing through your pump, okay? And just to see if your valves isolate, okay, this area here from discharge valve to suction valve, you need to open some valve here, some vent or some pipe to release, to see if the water is coming. If you see that the vent it's free from pressure, okay, you can open here at this side where I show with this arrow. There is located the zinc, okay, the zinc anodes, which is sacrifice to protect the pump, okay. You can release some bolts, 3 bolts or all the bolts, but leave them to keep a little bit, and check if the pump is empty and the water is stopped, okay. Never take out the pump without checking if the water is stopped, okay, because maybe it's under pressure and after it's difficult to seal, okay, and everything will be flawed. Take your time, go easy, do not hurry at any job, okay, and don't afraid. Okay, let's see. This is how it looks like done, okay. This is the shaft here. The shaft part which contains the pump is down, and the pump it's connected here to this coupling to the motor, okay. Okay, we put one mark. You can put a permanent mark and some dots if you like with metal puncher, okay. Also you can put here some marks to see how it's going, the main parts, to not turn them or change position, okay. And this here, these bolts, it's 24 spanner. It's keeping the pump, the ring, okay, the casing rings down to the pump casing. Okay, let's move on. And here also I can tell that this pipe here is for cooling, okay. There is passing some water from the discharge side and cools here the mechanical seal and reduce the friction. And here now you can see the motor, it's already removed, okay. Let's move on. This is the zincs, and this part is this one here, okay. We remove the 24 nuts here, and this is what you can see, okay. This part here, it's sometimes stuck up, okay. You will take one soft hammer, big, or one big hammer, okay, and you will hit little bit from down to one solid place and it will be released, okay. You can put a chain block at the top also to keep little bit tension, and just hit from one side and will go. Do not overheat some parts because they're very sensitive, okay. And here after that we can take out the pump, the impeller itself, okay. As you can see how it looks like, there's a o-ring here and one o-ring there. It's very important to change these o-rings because they make also some seal effect. Do not leave the old one because sure you will have leakages after from this space, and this space also here will be filled with water, seawater, when the pump is working. okay. And now we can take this to workshop, okay. We lift with chain block. This is how it looks like the casing. It's same as I showed with the fire pump before, okay. It's same exactly. Everything must be cleaned here, everything, okay. Here how it looks like. And very important also, this distance to be not changed, okay. All this distance from the before the coupling, which is located at the motor, when you overhauling also the motor, must not be changed. Everything must be in same position. Just remember. Here it's a scale on the shaft, okay. There is a lot of scale. That means that already seawater it's passing, okay, and it's already touched with this space, okay. This is impeller. In this ship, this impeller is stainless steel, some kind of alloy stainless steel. Okay, this is after cleaning. And here we replace the shaft, okay. We put new shaft because we see corrosion. As you know, where you see water, it's very corrosive environment. And with pressures inside the pump, with the suction side, the discharge side, there is cavitation effects take place. You can see, even if you have sealing O-rings, the surface is rough enough and seawater is passing through. Okay, you need to replace. This is a new mechanical seal. All O-rings change. Here also inside in this groove going O-rings. I have always diagrams with me to check how exactly the O-rings are placed, okay. And here there's lock ring here, which keeps the mechanical seal in position and stable in special position, which is designed by manufacturer. Here, what is this here? This is some cavitation, okay, some part missing. Everything the surface cleaned, okay. As you can see, rust removed, everything blown by air, nothing trapped inside in the impeller, in casing, nothing. We check double with flashlight, everything is ready. Only what remains is to place our pump to the correct place as it was before, and also all the fittings, all the pressure gauges must be fitted, all the zincs. And what remains is to paint the pump to be in nice condition, so we can see after if we have any leakage we can determine. And after we place everything back, okay, in this condition, in the first picture here, okay, we open slowly our suction, slowly, just a little bit, okay, and we start to take out the air from the pump casing because the air is trapped there, okay. And we open some pipe here, one vent, okay, and we wait until all the air is going out, okay. We open the suction full, okay, when the air is not more coming from here. When the seawater is coming from here, we open the suction full and the discharge, okay. And then we put back this pipe of the vent, we close, we put all the gauges, and we start the pump, just one start, small start, and stop, to see how the pump is working. If we listen to any noise, okay, just for the start, for the first start. Also, maybe if you start some big pumps, some main condenser pumps, some fire pumps, maybe you will need second generator, okay. Just check your kilowatts, how many kilowatts absorb this electric motor, and check if your kilowatts is enough or not, okay. Maybe if you start your main condenser pump, maybe your generator will be at the limit, okay, and you don't like that, or maybe the second generator will start. If not, maybe you'll go to blackout, but just be careful because this is very big motors, okay, and check your load. Okay guys, I believe this video was very informative. Have a lot of information inside, some tips for you also, and thank you for watching. I like to say thank you for your subscriptions, for your likes, your comments. It's very important. And check my previous videos, which is always very interesting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.